Hey beauties, what's going on? And welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. If you are new to my channel and you saw my intro and you did not subscribe, just go ahead and click that subscribe button now because you do not want to miss any of my new uploads. So excited, guys, for this video. My lace glue is finally in. And if you've been tuning in for a while, you know that my lace glue and my GLAMWAX and my melt belts will be launching January 1st, 2020. Big things for the new year. So today I will be using my Beautiful Hustler lace melt adhesive in this video, as well as my melt belt and my wax sticks. So make sure you guys stay tuned. This is my first official video with me using this glue. So if I posted any video before this, like this video came first, but whatever. But today's hair was provided by Eva Wigs, and this was like a natural wave, loose wave type of wig, and it is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. However, all the details will be listed down in the description. Now what I did, I just went ahead and like pre-styled the wig before installing, just to make the process a little quicker. So today I will install this on my mom today, and as I mentioned, I will be using my Beautiful Hustler lace melt adhesive. And first things first, you know, you want to make sure you braid down, put the cap on and everything like that. But I do want to take the time out to mention that in 2020 I will do my videos a little bit different. They will be longer. I'm trying to get a little more detail for you guys and everything like that. So I do have a whole map out plan of how I'm going to do my videos for the new year. So any videos posted before the new year pretty much is like my last final ways of doing my videos like this. So get ready for that. Make sure you subscribe because I am ready to really teach. I got some new tricks and everything, so I'm ready. However, getting back into this tutorial, I am taking my Beautiful Hustlers lace melt adhesive and just applying all my layers of glue and just spreading that glue out. And with this glue, it is white, so it pretty much goes the same way any other glue that is white goes. You want to apply your glue, spread it out very nice and flat, allow it to dry clear before adding all of your layers. And because a lot of you guys are beginners, I went very detailed on the instructions on the bottle, so you guys will not be able to like make a mistake when applying your glue. So I really took my time out to write out the directions for this glue and everything, and it's on the bottle. So make sure you purchase your bottle of lace melt adhesive. They're only $15. Yes, so I will not be breaking your pockets, making you know, charging you guys $30 for a little bottle, or $28 and $25 and so what, you know, and so forth. So I wanted the glue to be awesome, affordable, and everything like that. So make sure you guys do purchase. So I'm just going to continue to you know, spread my layers of glue, allow that to dry clear, and then I'm going to go ahead, and now that my glue is clear, pull that lace down into that glue and just have my mom hold each side on down and blow dry. And you know how the whole process go: blow dry, melt the lace in, using my fingertips, just rubbing that glue right on in, taking my comb and everything like that. And I repeat these steps to both sides of the wig, and then I will go ahead and you know, blow dry the lace in, cut the extra lace off, and do my, you know, regular steps to achieving my nice and flawless results. And so I'm just going to continue to just slide that glue right up underneath the places that are still lifting, and just really get that glue, get that lace just melted on in. And once I do this side, I will repeat the same exact steps to the other side. And then I will go ahead and, spray down my hairline. But today, instead of using the bed head, I did use the Tresemme holding spray. I recently purchased this product, and, I just like to try different things because everybody is from different parts of the world, and some products that I use may be here, but not where you from. So I like to just use different things. That way, something that I'm using should be in an area or, a hair store by you, which, will help you not feel so crazy that you don't have everything that I'm using exactly. But as far as my products, I will be shipping internationally. Like, it doesn't matter where you are, I will ship. It might take a little more time, especially if you're on different parts of the world, but I'm shipping internationally, so everyone can have the opportunity to use my products and everything like that. But now I'm just going ahead, going in and just cutting the lace off the other side. And I will be tacking that lace down, in the places that's still lifting as well. And then I will go in with that Tresemme holding spray, as I mentioned, and just spray that across the hairline and tie it down with my Beautiful Hustler melt belt. So now that I have that lace tied down, I'm just going to go on with a little oil and just rub it, on the hair to just give it some, nice little shine to it. And now I'm going to go ahead and remove that Beautiful Hustler melt belt. The lace is all melted in thanks to that Beautiful Hustler lace melt adhesive. And I'm just combing out the baby hair that I will be cutting. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut and, swoop them using my all-in-one Slay Gel from She's Bomb collection. And as I mentioned, the difference between this Tresemme holding spray, it does not flake at all. So, and it's easy to comb out. Like some holding sprays are a little more harder and you have to really like comb it out. But with this Tresemme, it gives me no flaking and it's easy to comb out. And once you comb it out, the hair is soft once again. So I absolutely love that about this product. And I'm just going in with that Slay Gel, as I mentioned, and just swooping those baby hairs and everything. And I will use my wax stick to sleek down the hair. I did not use my hot comb today. And this is good, especially if you are a beginner and you don't have a hot comb or don't know how to use one. I just really use like my wax stick and the blow dryer in my hands. Not even really the blow dryer, to be honest, just using a wax stick and a holding spray in my hand and just like laying down and molding the hair down to get it nice and sleek. So that's all I pretty much did from this point now. Swoop my baby hairs, use my wax stick and that holding spray, and just spray and shape and mold everything, and just, you know, with no blow dryer, no heat setting, no nothing. So this video is kind of like very beginner friendly, but at the same time I did pre-style the wig, so it wasn't really necessary to go in and do all of those things again, because I obviously had did that already. But as far as the style, I just did like a part in the middle, but a zigzag part, and I just did 2 braids, and you know, just wand curled the hair a little bit using the smallest wand curl that I have to make the curls smaller, more of a loose wave type of look instead of like the big body curls. And now I'm just going to conceal up both sides of the part in the zigzag part, and this will pretty much sum up this tutorial. It was very quick because it was already pre-styled, so you know, and just introducing my lace glue to you guys. So stay tuned for more tutorials. I will go more in depth on how to use all of my products, but I hope you did still enjoy this quick tutorial. I'm concealing that part up as I mentioned, and I will just, you know, do the finishing touches, and that completes this look. But let me know what you guys think down below. I love the lace on this wig because it was very natural looking, and it was also light brown or medium brown. That way it was, you know, easy to melt with this skin tone. But anywho, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.